Here's a simple step-by-step guide showing you how to manage Amazon household profiles. First, open Amazon in your browser and sign in. Using the desktop view gives you full access to all Amazon household settings. Hover over Account and Lists at the top right and click Account. Under the Shopping Programs and Rentals section, click Amazon Household. You can add one additional adult to your household to share Prime benefits, apps, and digital content. Click Add Adult, enter their email, and send the invitation. They must accept the invite and agree to share wallets to unlock all shared features. Next, you can add up to 4 teen profiles. Click Add a Teen and follow the prompts. Teens get their own login and can shop on Amazon, but parents must approve every order before it's placed. You can also add up to 4 child profiles. Click Add a Child, enter their name and age, and choose Content Restrictions. Children cannot shop, but can use shared digital content through Amazon Kids. Under the Amazon Household dashboard, you can manage each profile. Edit permissions, approve or deny shopping for teens, modify shared content settings, remove a member from your household. If you remove an adult, both adults must wait 180 days before joining or creating a new household, and that's it. You've now learned how to manage Amazon household profiles.